Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the last video where we talked about the Deep South. Now let's test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is the Deep South located in the northern United States? No, the Deep South is located in the southern United States. Is Alabama considered part of the Deep South? Yes, Alabama is one of the Deep South states. Is the Deep South famous for its hospitality? Yes, Southern hospitality is a well-known tradition. Did the Deep South play a major role in the American Civil War? Yes, it played a major historical role. Is blues music rooted in the Deep South? Yes, blues music has its origins in the Deep South. Is fried chicken a popular dish in the Deep South? Yes, it's one of the signature foods of the region. Is the Southern accent hard and harsh? No, it's generally warm, slow, and musical. Is the Deep South often called the Bible Belt? Yes, because of its strong Christian religious presence. Is New York City located in the Deep South? No, New York City is in the Northeast. Is the Deep South culturally unimportant to the U.S.? No, it is very important to the cultural identity of the U.S. Remember to watch this feedback video several times to fully master the material. Subscribe to stay on track with your English learning journey and your discovery of American culture. See you in the next adventure.